whatever the wiring, control panel wiring are there. So we are using students to learn the control panel wiring rectified. So they have to learn about it. So यहाँ का ये लिफ्ट ये स्टूडेंट्स ने ही बनाया है और हम लोग टेस्टिंग करने आए हैं.
काउंटर ठीक हो जाए.
So this is live testing.
बढ़िया लिफ्ट.
The front panel. This front panel they will open and there is a controller. In the controller there is a fault code is there, and from the fault code the mechanics will get know which fault it is. According to that, he know the location, he know the problem, he will going to rectify it. So likewise we are creating the faults when we are doing the examinations.
Beauty and technology, and also hair and design and fashion technology. So main engineer technology skills are here: VT vertical transportation and ACR air condition and refrigeration. All of you are in engineering sector.
Yes, sir.
So next is our MES mechanical and electrical services lab. Third one is our mechatronics and robotics lab. Fourth one is ET, and fifth one is precision engineering instrument. So their operation main thing is our chiller. Do you know that residential AC can control only temperature? Yes. But there is a disadvantage of residential AC. It cannot control carbon dioxide and also humidity and also accurate temperature throughout the building. In a huge building, it is not economical, and also efficiency is very less. And also installation of a large number of residential AC in a building is not suitable for technician. So that the replacement of that residential AC is done by our chiller, and chiller is your capacity around 80 ton capacity. The main things related to engineering sector, that electrical engineering, mechanical engineering and electronics engineering, also IT. Okay, so this please come here. Here we have a smoke detector, heat detector. If this is a manual call point, then we have a flame detector, then emergency lock are there, and there are other bell and all that are there. So
industrial robots, and its name is the Askaba, made in Japan. Okay, so this is an industrial robot. So before get the information related to the industrial robot, first of all you have to know what is robot. So friends, joint number 4, joint number 5, joint number 6. This robot has 6 joints. According to the robot terminology, each joint has its own nomenclature. So this is known as the swing phase, this is known as lower arm, this is known as the upper arm, This is known as your arm roll. This is known as wristband. This is known as your tool flex. So, saying, okay, help me to make the movement of that swing base. Make the movement in the swing base. Okay, so minutely mark this hand. Now, one joint is independent movement is take place. Everybody able to get it?
Yes.
Lower arm. Okay, one joint, that's the lower arm. Okay, everybody get it?
Yes.
Now, I want to make the movement in the upper arm. Okay, no, slowly. Okay, speed. Okay, make the movement in the upper arm. Now, make the movement in the arm roll. Make the movement in arm roll. Medium speed. Movement in the wristband. Okay, everybody mark it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I want to make the movement in the Z. So X plus, okay, understand? So this is known as 6 joint, 6 axis, and the degree of freedom is also 6. How many independent joint the robot is associated? Take into consideration the degree of freedom also 6. Okay, now you see one program. Take the example of the need of an industry. Take the example of a Coca-Cola industry. Okay, now you run. Okay, robot now is coming from work home position. Okay, and hold one pellet. Pellet means you have treated this is a bottle. Okay, okay, Coca-Cola, cold drinks. Okay, now here that all the cold drinks are fill up. Okay, and in this day another operation can be done. It is check all the labeling will properly fill. Okay, 200 ml. Fill up properly or not. Okay, if this task is completed, then you go for the stage. Now you run. What? Suppose now what? The robot operator sitting in the control room, okay, which is far from the environment. Robot is employed in that environment, which is 2 kilometers away from the control room. So robot operator sitting in the control room operate the robot. Okay? Now stop. This is automation. This is known as your automation. Everybody get some idea about robot and what is automation? It is highly required in industry or not?
Yes.
Okay, complete. Now run. Now question comes, sir. Okay, you students are away. Now you can do. Now you stop this one. You press here. Okay, stop this one. Okay, robot operation is over. Okay, in the middle level 2, then you have to stop.
Vertical and horizontal integration, augmented reality, virtual reality, like AI, and yours IIoT, industrial Internet of Things, and yours industrial robots. This one is the problem. So what is the thing we know that the automation is like we know the PS5 palette. So I press the 6x5 palette and again I press home. See.
It can automatically change the tool.
It's tool automatically. Because it is programming. I taught to this all that thing I taught at particular position.
So which particular language it's understand?
It is 6-axis movement. It's doing 6-axis movement. If I go there and get the pitch point there, then from this point it will pick.
So which language it understands, like which programming?
Robot programming is in Alpha V6.
So it's only for Mitsubishi.
It's Mitsubishi, Japanese. Pneumatic different valves are there. Suction valve for operating. This sound you are listening. This sound. This is for the vacuum operation. This removes out the air pressure and it getting the vacuum.
So what's his maximum payload?
Payload is 6 kg.
6 kg.
It's up to 6 kg, but in worldwide it's 50 kg. Robot is 50 kg. It automatically do the operation. Assembly. Yes. Like assembly line. This is
वन इज स्टेनलेस स्टील, वन इज गैल्वेनाइज एंड द थर्ड वन इज माइल्ड स्टील। ओके, अगर आप पंचिंग का बात करोगे तो आप जैसे ही अपना पंच और डाई को चेंज करते हो तो आप उस हिसाब से चेंजेस ले सकते हो। और बेंडिंग में भी सेम है आपका, आप उसका डाइस को चेंज करो उस हिसाब से सेम आएगा।